beauties, and welcome back to another video. My name is Randy and today's video is kindly sponsored by Linjer. Linjer is a luxury jewelry brand that is actually really affordable and sustainable. Linjer is actually Norwegian for the word lines. This is to represent their simple and minimalistic designs. I love how Linjer's jewelry is extremely high quality, but it's also sustainable at the same time. They actually use 100% recycled gold and silver, and their diamonds are lab grown. And their packaging is also recycled and sustainable. So I'm personally a gold girly, so I prefer to wear gold jewelry. And a lot of affordable gold jewelry you see is flash plated or gold plated. And I don't know if you've ever tried wearing flash plated or gold plated jewelry for an extended amount of time. Well, they almost always turn colors and they never stay that pretty shiny gold. But Linjer actually uses a super thick layer of 22 karat gold, which makes them 5 times thicker than regular gold plated jewelry and over 100 times thicker than regular flash plated jewelry. And if you haven't already watched my previous review on their jewelry, I got this cute little ring recently, and I have been wearing this every day basically for a month and washing my hands with it on, doing just about everything with this ring on, and it is still not turning. It still looks just like I got it the day I got it. I'm even gonna put it right next to my real gold engagement ring so you can kind of see how the gold is still staying true to its color. And if you're not into dip jewelry, then they also have solid gold jewelry as well, which is also really reasonably priced. I also forgot to mention that if you prefer silver jewelry, they also have silver jewelry. So now that you understand a little bit more about this jewelry brand, let's go ahead and open up what I've got from them. I'm gonna give you my honest reviews and we're gonna try this stuff on. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? I feel like their packaging is so perfect and pretty for a holiday or special occasion, which by the way, they do have charms and birthstones, so those would be perfect for like gift giving during Christmas time or birthdays. Let's go ahead and pick one. I picked out all these pieces kind of based off of the season. Since it's November and fall, I felt like all these were just screaming like fall. The first one . Oh, okay, so they open kind of like a book or a folder. And then it comes with the velvet jewelry holder inside. And just like last time, the jewelry holder has a little pocket inside. Okay, so the first piece that I picked out is the Sigrid bracelet in citrine. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. So I don't think I actually own any bracelets right now, so I was really excited to order this. Oh my gosh. My mind is blown right now. I've never seen a bracelet do this. I was just looking, I was like, wow, this looks like really small. And then I realized there's an adjustment. Okay, so first of all, you can see the bracelet is stunning. Really look at this. There's this pull where you pull it through. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Almost has like a little stopper on it to where you can like make it tighter or looser. Right there, that ball. So I'm just gonna pull it through and make it a little looser, like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put it on. Wow, it is so gorgeous on. Like even just with my shirt color, like do you see how that's such a fall bracelet? I feel like this is perfect for November. It's literally just so dainty, and you see I can pull that little string if I wanted it to be tighter, and I feel like it's really secure. They have like a little silicone or rubber inside of that, so it really stays. And this is just so simple and beautiful. I feel like it's perfect for like winter sweaters and stuff to kind of just hang out of your sleeve. There we go. I just pulled that like form-fitting tight so that it won't slide down on my hand and just stay on my wrist. I feel like this is even such a beautiful way to wear it. I guess it just depends on what top you're wearing. Okay, let's go ahead and open up the next box. I guess that was upside down. Okay, let's see what's in this one. So this is the Iria necklace. It's kind of like a tag necklace. I just thought it looked super cute. Whoop. So this has 3 different size option notches, so you can make the length of the necklace different. I love how you can see the Linjer branding on the necklace right there on my finger right here. And here is what the necklace looks like. It is so gorgeous. The stone is like an opal. It's like white and milky and pretty shiny. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this necklace all fall and winter. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Wow, it is so beautiful. I have it on its longest setting right now. I love how simple and neutral it is. I could literally put this with just about any outfit. And I love where this long length falls on the chest. Like it's like the perfect area. It's so simple and so elegant and very timeless. And with the bracelet, we're coming together, which means we're missing something. What are we missing? Let's just see. Let's go ahead and open the last one. Did I open it right this time? I feel like I did. 3rd time's the charm, I guess. Okay, let's open it up. The last piece I have for today is the Isle ring. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but it is also citrine, so this is going to match the bracelet perfectly. Oh my gosh, this ring is so stunning. I love how simple it is, but I also love how it has a little bit of color. Oh my gosh, it looks so good on. It's such a fall ring. Like, look how good these 2 pieces look together. The citrine is such a November looking stone in my opinion. The stone has always just reminded me of that color of like dried tree sap. This ring is seriously so perfect. I can't wait to style this all fall and winter. Honestly, I feel like this ring would even be pretty in the summer with all the warm tones and the tan. And I just can't get over the detailing on this ring. It's literally so perfect. I love all the random stones. I am so excited to wear these pieces all throughout fall and winter, but I'm also excited to try to style them in summer because the warm tones would honestly be beautiful with a tan too. Thank you again to Linjer for sponsoring today's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to use my discount code if you're looking to treat yourself to a piece of jewelry or get a special gift for someone. The holidays are coming up. Let me know which piece was your favorite from today's haul in the comments down below. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And with that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.